Ethical AI profit strategies emphasize the integration of data privacy and fairness as core components. These elements are not mere compliance tasks but essential for sustainable growth. By prioritizing ethical considerations, businesses can build trust, enhance brand reputation, and foster customer loyalty. When companies actively promote transparency in their AI practices, they signal to consumers that they value their data and privacy. Moreover, ethical AI strategies can lead to a competitive advantage in the marketplace. As consumers become more aware of data misuse, they gravitate towards brands that demonstrate a commitment to ethical practices. Businesses that harness ethical AI not only attract customers but also retain them, resulting in increased lifetime value. In conclusion, the adoption of ethical AI profit strategies is not just an ideal but a necessary blueprint for modern enterprises. As technology evolves, so too must our approach to its deployment. Understanding data privacy is crucial in today's digital landscape. With the rise of technology and data-driven decision-making, protecting personal information has never been more important. Key regulations like GDPR and CCPA set standards for data collection, processing, and storage, ensuring that user rights are upheld. In this video, we will explore best practices in data minimization, which involves collecting only the data necessary for a specific purpose. Next, we will discuss secure handling of data. It is essential to implement robust security measures to protect sensitive information from breaches and unauthorized access. Encryption, access controls, and regular audits are vital components of a secure strategy. Finally, we will touch on fostering a culture of privacy within organizations. Training employees on data protection policies and encouraging a mindset of accountability can help ensure that everyone understands and values the importance of data privacy. Detecting bias in AI systems is crucial for ensuring fairness and equity in technology. It involves identifying biases present in datasets, which often stem from historical data or certain collection methods that may be inherently biased. Common sources of bias include demographic imbalances, where certain groups are underrepresented, leading to skewed results. To address these issues, algorithmic remedies can be employed. One method is reweighting the training data, where underrepresented groups are given more importance, thus balancing the representation in the dataset. Another approach is adversarial debiasing, which involves training models to minimize bias-sensitive outcomes while still achieving high accuracy. In conclusion, detecting and mitigating bias in AI systems is a continuous process that combines awareness, technical strategies, and ongoing evaluation. By implementing these remedies, we can create AI systems that better serve all individuals, fostering an equitable technological landscape. Transparency is vital for user trust in artificial intelligence. When users understand how AI systems work and how they make decisions, they can feel more secure in using them. Explainable artificial intelligence, or XAI, plays a crucial role in helping users grasp these decision-making processes. It allows users to see the reasoning behind AI outputs, making the technology more approachable and less intimidating. To achieve this, implementing clear user consent mechanisms is essential. Users should always be informed about how their data will be used and what to expect from the AI systems they interact with. This builds a foundation of trust and encourages more people to embrace AI technologies. Additionally, communicating decision logic effectively can further enhance user confidence. By providing clear explanations and examples of how AI comes to its conclusions, we can ease the fears surrounding artificial intelligence and promote its positive outcomes. Implement a comprehensive checklist to identify ethical risks at every stage of development. This checklist should evaluate potential biases and ethical dilemmas associated with the AI technology being developed. Engage diverse stakeholders in this process. Include ethicists, legal experts, community representatives, and industry professionals for regular reviews. Their insights will help illuminate ethical considerations that may not be immediately obvious. Establish robust systems for continuous monitoring of AI performance. This includes an ongoing assessment to detect biases and flag potential ethical concerns even after deployment. Additionally, foster a culture of transparency within the organization. Open discussions about ethical challenges and decision-making processes help build trust among stakeholders. Lastly, commit to regular audits of AI systems to ensure compliance with ethical standards. These audits should not only assess technical performance, but also evaluate the societal impacts of the technology. Data privacy is crucial in today's digital landscape. Adhering to regulations like GDPR and CCPA is not just a legal obligation, it fosters trust and promotes sustainability in our practices. These regulations set a standard for how organizations should handle personal data, ensuring users have control over their information. Mitigating bias in artificial intelligence is another key aspect to consider. It is essential for fairness and equity in technology. Bias can lead to unequal treatment of individuals and groups. Therefore, implementing measures to identify and reduce bias in AI systems is necessary. Transparency is critical in building user trust. This can be achieved through explainable AI and clear communication about how these systems work. When users can understand the decision-making processes of AI systems, they are more likely to trust the outputs. Your challenge is to create an ethical audit plan for your AI product. This plan should focus on three main areas: ensuring data privacy compliance, implementing strategies to mitigate bias, and building trust through transparency.